Njamanjama. This is the real deal, you know. To all my Bansop people, one salt Njamanjama. So, stop on. Fufucorn, Njamanjama, and Kati. So this is for my Northwesterners, my Bamenda Abakwa people. Special one for you guys. So yeah, if you haven't had Fufucorn and Njamanjama before, this is a sign that you should, you know. Let's give this a go, guys. Good appetite to me. See, I need music. Be proud of who we are. Sit up, sing. The one gong so. Be proud of who we are. Mm. 10 out of 10 on this one, guys. 10 out of 10. You can't go wrong with this one, you know. So yeah, guys, bon appetit.